In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use tabs and collapsible sections in Confluence to organize content and improve page navigation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know when to use each option and how to add them to your pages. Let's start with collapsible sections, also known as the expand macro. Open your page in edit mode and type expand. Select the expand macro and enter a title for the section, such as FAQs, notes, or additional information. Next, add the content you want hidden inside the expand section. When readers view the page, they can click the title to reveal or hide the content. This is a great way to keep pages clean and reduce scrolling. Collapsible sections work best for FAQs, troubleshooting steps, detailed explanations, and optional information that readers may not always need. Now let's look at tabs. Tabs allow you to separate content into categories and display one section at a time. Since tabs aren't built into most Confluence Cloud sites, you'll typically need a tabs macro app from the Atlassian marketplace. After installing a tabs app, edit your page and insert the tabs macro using the / command. Create individual tabs, give each one a title, and add the content you want inside each tab. Tabs are ideal for product information, project dashboards, documentation categories, and content that users need to compare quickly without scrolling through a long page. As a simple rule, use tabs when content belongs in separate categories, and use collapsible sections when you want to hide supporting details while keeping readers moving down the page. And that's how to use tabs and collapsible sections in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.